How can we get attracted to Krishna's form when I have not seen Krishna's form? No doubt, yes, it's a fact. Krishna is ready to come before us. But before that, we have to aspire for seeing him by hearing him first. Simply by hearing, one sees the Lord halfway through. Ananda chinmaya sadujjvala vigrahasya, effulgent with ananda and chinmaya, transcendental consciousness. So in the material world, these forms made of flesh is just duplicating those forms. In the absolute world, form means identity. There is a Vyakti there. But here there is a duality. There is a matter body and the soul. To understand fine forms, our consciousness has to become fine. By appreciating the transcendental glories of the Lord, our consciousness becomes fine.